The M272 kit is a portable, lightweight kit that detects and identifies harmful amounts of chemical warfare agents when present in raw or treated water. This kit detects cyanide, mustard, lewisite, and nerve agents when present in water in dangerous amounts. The sample agents included in this kit react to these common chemical warfare agents or their training simulants. Test colors revealed show the presence or absence of a tested chemical agent as a pass-fail test. It takes about 20 minutes to run all 4 tests in the kit, depending on ambient weather conditions. A full M272 kit contains enough supplies to run 25 tests for each agent. Simulants, simulated CW agents, are also included in the kit for training use. The general contents of the kit contain the following: a test bottle with accessories, including the alkaline solution bottle, a temperature test strip, 5 rubber connectors to connect the test tubes, a clip, and a heater tube. A thermometer and holder, old kits only. However, the newer kits have temperature strips as used in this lesson. A container of waterproof matches for warming the contents of the test tubes if needed during cold weather. Test packets, test tubes, and an instruction card providing quick reference directions. There are also items included in your kit that are used exclusively for a particular test or tests. These items include the 25 lewisite mustard test tubes, which have a blue band around them and are strapped into the left side of the kit lid. 25 cyanide test tubes, which have a red band around them and are strapped into the right side of the kit lid. And a simulant tube pack for practice or running simulation exercises. In the bottom tray, left-hand side of the kit, are the 25 lewisite test packets with orange labels. These packets contain a zinc mixture for testing for the presence of lewisite in water. Just below the lewisite packets in the bottom left corner of the kit are the 25 mustard test packets with yellow labels. These packets have a salt mixture in them for detecting mustard agents in water. In the row to the right, there are 25 mustard cyanide packets with green labels. There are 2 tablets in each packet, which are used to test for cyanide in the water sample. In the bottom tray, upper right-hand corner, there are 25 nerve agent test packets with white labels.